In this example, we are given the quantity x that is equal to a times t squared plus b t to the power 3 plus c t to the power 4. X here is designating position, so it is a length, and t is a time. Now, to find the units of a, b, and c, what we need to remember is both sides of the equal sign have to have the same unit. If this is a unit of length, this has to be the unit of a length. That's the first thing. You don't mix apples and oranges. Apples are equal to apples, oranges are equal to oranges, cows are equal to cows. Now, the next step is we cannot add quantities that are not the same. In other words, a times t squared should have the same units as b times t to the power 3, and it should have the same units as c times t to the power 4. So all of these circled quantities have the same units, which is the unit of x, which is the unit of length. So all these quantities that I circled should have the unit of length. So in other words, the unit of the term a times t squared should be equal to L. However, the unit of a times t squared, that's the unit of a times the unit of t squared. That should be equal to L. But the unit of t, we know it, that's a time. So the unit of a should be multiplied by time squared should be equal to L. In other words, the unit of a, solving for it, is the unit of L, and then I'm going to divide both sides by t squared, which is L t to the minus 2. We can do the same thing with the other terms. So we have b t cubed should be equal to L, which makes b t to the power 3 is equal to L, or b, moving t to the power 3 to the other side by dividing both sides by t to the power 3. So that gives me L t to the power minus 3. And finally, c t4 should have the unit of length. So the unit of c times t to the power 4 is equal to L, and the unit of c is equal to L t to the power minus 4.